We're at Ferrari's test track to find out if the new 430 Scuderia is, like the rumours say, as quick as an Enzo. Now, when I came here with the Enzo, I did a lap time of 1 minute 29 seconds, which wasn't exactly record-breaking, but wasn't bad considering I was unfamiliar with the circuit, didn't know the car, was chatting away to you lot, and only had 5 laps. So the question is, can I match that, or maybe even beat it with the Scuderia? You'll notice the car's changed colour, by the way. And that's because this car has got all the telemetry in order to do the lap times. With limited laps to play with, I didn't have long to attempt to beat my Enzo time. And I thought I'd better start in race mode to experience the very latest in Ferrari's F1 developed traction control system. Open the throttle fully, and it just accelerates. And I can't get used to that. I must admit, Formula One drivers nowadays, they just turn a corner and open the throttle. I still lifted off because I couldn't believe that the traction control was going to stop this 510 horsepower kicking the back out. You just feel the car's held back, and then suddenly it's released. Within just a few bends, the car makes you feel instantly at home. This car is so stable and so confidence-inspiring. It just sort of hasn't really had any alarming tweaks or move. I cannot believe, really, how level a platform we're working with. There's no sudden lurches or body rolls. You don't feel any drama involved at all. Now I felt confident in turning all the safety aids off to try for the ultimate lap time. Just me and a throttle pedal, aiming for 1:29. We're now unprotected. We're now going to fully feel the 430 Scuderia come alive. Under braking, straight away you feel the difference without the protection of the diff of the actual car under braking, less stable. The back wants to tweak around on me then. But the car feels a lot less stable all of a sudden. It's quite a dramatic change because the E-diff doesn't just work for traction, it actually works under braking. It helps the braking stability. I mean, the Formula One track is fantastic. It does allow any driver to drive this car incredibly fast and competently. But it takes the glory of driving a Ferrari away from me, and now I've got that glory. The power oversteer is back, and you see a smile comes on my face. To Ferrari every day of the week. But of course, that's what Mr. Schumacher did when he developed this car. So, what was my lap time? Excuse me, do you have the lap time for Mr. Needell? Had I matched the Enzo's 1 minute 29? And the answer is 1 minute 29.4, the same as the 660 horsepower Ferrari Enzo Ferrari. This 430 Scuderia is quite some car.